report that corruptions are. How everybody doing today? Welcome to live stream 51. Wow. We're close to a whole year. Every week I've done one live stream. Welcome. We had a great topic. I did talk called Double Trouble YCAM today. Let me go all the way down to the bottom. And the last week I forgot about my close-up. This is what I'm talking about. Last week I didn't have close-up. This is what I want, a real close-up to talk to you guys. So the topic for today is this. 3 letters I'm going to write this week to take to the courthouse on file. And the first one will be to the county judge over in Tampa, Florida. Then I got a state judge and a federal judge. And we'll get to it. Before we do that, you know what we got to do first? Is take our oath. And what do you mean by taking an oath? You know that every politician, every judge take an oath. And every oath, guess what they all got in common? The Constitution. Here we go. I will support, to protect, and defend the United States Constitution first. Yes, that's what we do at Corruption CZAR Network. We fight the crime with the law book. Okay? Not what the red light camera program want you to do with the rules. So what we're going to go over today is that the letter I'm going to write to the first judge. I'm going to go down there and show you some things here. I put like 10 topics. And before they do that, I remind the cities and the county and the state. You're in violation of Florida Statute 817-34 organized scheme and defraud. That means the money for the red light camera program is illegal. You need to return that money, and we got to prosecute all the enforcers. Take away state licenses to the judges, the attorneys, the red light cop, the city employees, the attorneys. Okay? It's not fair. We get put in jail for law correctly. That's not what it should be. So let me look at some things here. Some things I want to talk to the judge about. Judge, we got this thing called evidence. In due process, you're entitled to evidence. And part of evidence is record. To record everything. Every person, even at the courthouse, the tag agency. The reason I want to record is this. I had made over 100 complaints so far. Think about that. Over 100 complaints so far. Have not got one investigation. And by law, by city, state, and federal law, the employee got to investigate this. Okay? The next thing I want to record is this. The police record you when you talk to them. In an interrogation room. They record everything. So we got it right. Here what's happening is this. In the red light camera program, it's written by a red light camera company, help with the politician, help write it. And what they do is circumvent the law, violate your due process, and misuse of government agencies to run their scam. And everything they do is vagueness. Their rules are vagueness rules. Right here. Let's look at this, vagueness. Everything they do is vagueness. When they speak, you think about it, they talk in vagueness. You don't to tag agency, talk to a clerk. You try to show them, say you get the citation there, a violation there, order suspension notice, and they got no clue what the heck you're talking about. Hey, it's illegal. They should. What I'm trying to do is get the ability to fix what broken at the low level. Because my sources inside the government say, hey, they ain't not allowed to change them from state up. But the problem with the state up, you never able to talk to that person. They refuse to talk to you. I even sent out letters and even I emailed the state agencies. And they never respond back. So I'll show you something down at the bottom here. One of the state agencies I respond to. There's the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. I'll show you right here. Hang on, we'll go way down to the bottom. I got over 100, right here. This is the only one responds back to me. Check this out. They tell me that they're not going to investigate. What do you mean you don't investigate? Because I want to show you some things right here. This here, very important right here. And I'm going to add a screen here. I got a video right here I want to show. Okay, we get over. It's one of my film rounds. Okay, here we go. We'll go over here. Okay. We'll go to this screen. I forgot to add the video. Okay, take a look at this. Now, I put it on my Facebook page, I think yesterday. What happened is this. I knew about this stuff a few weeks ago, some of this stuff. But a lot of stuff I know, I went whole. Okay, this stuff I know from 6 months ago, 2 years ago, and I got stuff coming up in the future I cannot talk about. But right now, technically, the red light camera company, a red light camera program should be shut down, and they start paying that money. And the government people try not to pay it. Here's a couple of rules. The 5th District Court will try to protect the city of Orlando. Because remember, attorney, I think I talked about it a couple of weeks ago in my video. And what happened, city attorney, not city attorney, there was a citizen, I think 2012 with the court case. I try not to put Supreme Court cases, appeal court cases, state court cases on my video. Because I don't make it easy for any image chasing attorney to make $1 billion off my information. So I do everything in vagueness like the red light camera company do when they talk in court, or the written document they write in vagueness. Does that make any sense? I do exactly what they do to us, I do it back to them. So here's what I'm talking about. The 5th District Court trying to protect the city of Orlando. And they call it, I might have that article here. Let me see if I got that here. Here it is, right here. No, oh, okay, basically. Okay, here, I'll go back to this one. Here you go. Look at this. Basically, what he said here, so the judge, every judge in the state of Florida basically instructed to protect the program. Okay? But I'm going to force the issue that, hey guys, you go forward, or guess what? I'm going to give you the ability to fix it now. Now we force them to pay damages, and we'll go ahead and prosecute the government and people who let the program go on for like, 11 years now. This should have been stopped the first time it ever shut up in court by a traffic judge. The traffic judge had the ability to shut this down. They're not. At the clerk of court and shit, that's why I want to record this stuff in the courthouse. Every person I talked to had made false statement, took actions, or no action, not enough the citizen's favor. They're always protecting the liability of the red light camera company or the courts or government agencies. That shouldn't be that way. Remember, the government is to serve us. We're their boss. What's going on here? You work for us, and you don't look out for your business partner? That shouldn't be that way. So that's why I'm going to force the issue. Hey, let's prosecute city employee, county employee, state government, so the people at the state level who made the decision go to prison. Because I really don't want to prosecute the county commissioners or the clerks at the courthouse. I have no interest, but I got to pick on the small guy, get my way up to the big guy, because they don't let you talk to nobody. You take paperwork through the court system, they don't record it. Okay, first they say you go to the tag agency. The conversation with the ticket is not recorded. There's no document, no notes by anybody. That's why I'm trying to fix. The reason I want to record is when I go to say I may even get to a federal judge or a state judge or the red light camera, how it's a scam. I'll show everybody in the program made mistakes. Okay, well, I instructed them to not to fix it. Government, you should fix mistakes. I'm here to fix it. So let's go over a couple of stuff I want to talk about. So basically, the 4th Appeal Court ruled in February. Like I said, most of it right on red. Here you go. Right on red is illegal. And now the voluntary citation notice, the judge ruled is voluntary payment. So now when they suspend your driver license or suspend your driver license for non-payment, that means that's illegal. That means you're putting people in jail, suspending people's driver license without proper due process. The Appeal Court ruled that was something to do with driver license. To suspend it, you got to go to a court, a hearing, and the judge order it. And in this real life scam, they circumvent the court procedure. Remember, there are two types of court recognized by the Constitution, the courts, civil and criminal. Okay, so the red light camera program fall under civil. I got too much information. Let me go up to the top to notes I took. I'm going to show these, show you some stuff here. Okay, here we go. What am I talking about? There you go, right here. Right here, it just addressed to the red light camera company. Remember, they're the sole witness, never in court, never take legal action, never witness how they injure or damage to collect money. They're not. That's a perfect scam. Because remember, right here, the courts have ruled they got to be in court. It's like right here, the Supreme Court ruled that the red light camera person got to be in court to interpret the video. That's what I'm saying. Every red light ticket from day one, they're illegal because of this. They need to be in court. They ruled that. The state's not in my problem. You got all these people in government, state level, county level, state level. They know about it. They refuse to fix it. Like I go to county commission meeting, city commission meeting, my YouTube video. The people in government see my video. That's their job to fix this stuff. They're not doing it. They're covering up. I won't give them the ability to fix it. Okay? That makes sense? All I want to do is fix it and give people their money back. Then because remember, hang on a second. I'm all the way up to the top. I go all the way back up here. I pull down. I'll call what the intention is. Here you go. What is your intention? See, the law comes down to one word. What is your intention? Lawful or unlawful, or ethical or unethical? Like I said, what are the two things that every person got in common? 24 hours a day and physically be in one spot. Now, in that 24-hour time, what is your action, thought, and behavior is? Ethical or not, or unethical? Like me, I'm like 99% ethical on my thing. Well, the problem is the red light camera program, you got ethical people got jobs at the state level, or the court level, or law enforcement level. They forced to be unethical because, remember, in government and business, they got manual guidelines go by. So they forced to be unethical, break the law. That's what I'm trying to fix. Why? In the red light camera program, they break the law to enforce their rules, or their law. And people go to jail for fault like me. I follow law correctly. I follow the proper. Remember, civil court and criminal court, you got due process. In the red light camera program, they process everybody, not due process. Okay? Because you got procedure. I'll do a video. You got civil procedures, criminal procedure in court. Red light camera don't fall under that. Their guidelines, their vagueness. Look at the manual and guideline of the red light cops. They don't match uniform traffic law. Here's one thing about uniform traffic law. You don't, like the cities and the counties, the red light camera program, like I said, down my area, 16 city, and right on red, they had their own definition. And I'm going down the bottom head here. I got over 100 slides. Hang on, let me go down the bottom. And what I said, right on red. Hang on, here you go. Hit it right on red. There. Hit it all for right on red. We had 16 cities. Okay, hold it. All the cities. Even the city of Lakeland got it wrong. They're still doing this. Let me get back over. Here's the definition. The intention is unethical. They know right or red is it. This is uniform traffic law. Say state uniform traffic control. That is a law. The red light camera program, they make their own rules up. Now look at this. Uniform traffic control. That's basically uniform traffic law. That's what that means. So in the red light camera program, how do the cities, remember, the city, they make their own rules up. They don't have to make no rules up because this is already in place. See how they scam you? The scam fool 99% of the people. This won't be able to prosecute the city attorney, the red light cops, the sheriff, the deputies, everybody. But this is the law of the land, the law. Okay? You see what I'm talking about? You don't have to see in the red light camera program, they searching up the law. You don't have to rewrite anything because we already got uniform traffic law. And that's my issue. The uniform traffic law don't any be changed. Commissioners, politicians, you never had the law in place. That's why the red light camera is totally illegal, because there were witnesses, due process. Remember, the red light camera people never in court. They're supposed to be in court. Okay? That's why I'm going to beat you guys. Okay? Let me go up to the top. I got something to show. Let's go with this. Are you the first time here? I got them beat. Okay? I'm going to shut it down and force them to pay us. Okay? Guarantee you that money. I'm going to run for political office if I have to. And try to prosecute everybody I can. I won't go after clerk or court, people like that, because they're doing their job. They ain't lying to make changes before us. But I'm going to try to fix it. But I'm going to try to take the law license every attorney for any city or state or county who enforce the red light camera program, even the judges. Because your job is to serve and protect the citizen. That's part of your oath. Okay? And I'm going to go to the, let's see what we got here. Look, I took a notice of claim to the city for $200 million. I expect to get paid, people. I ain't taking nothing less. It's going up. Okay? You know why it's going up? I'll tell you why it's going up. Hang on a second. Oh, I'm going to go back a minute first. This is important. What happened is, in the red light camera program, because the red light comes out there, remember, all the paperwork they give you is dragnet. You get the right to evidence, documents, notes, as part of the discovery. We don't get down to discovery, know this fact. Okay, what happened is they abuse the diversion program. When they arrest you illegally, remember, they get suspended driving for a voluntary payment. They did, remember, voluntary payment, you don't have to pay, but they know about it, but they, remember, the 5th District Court rule is voluntary. But the city is still enforcing it, the court's still enforcing the rules by the red light company. That's what we have to fix. It should be, if a appeal court says it's illegal, by the next day the court should stop it and give everybody money back and prosecute people. Why are they not doing that? That's why I want to start the Department of Corruption. I'll be corruption czar. We already got laws on the books, so we don't have to make any news rules. There's a fight, any politician, legislator. We already got the laws in place, rules in place for criminal court and civil court. And so we don't have to, I don't have to rewrite anything. It's already there. We just enforce it. Okay? So let me go down some things. I say they don't check and balance in the legal system or the law enforcement system or at the representative, remember you got representatives, county commissioners, mayor, you see, representatives, senator, congressman, none of them, they don't check and balance with them either. They know their job is to serve us, not be part of government, not the main issue. They don't look out for the citizen or a citizen. They look out for the red light. When a politician look out for the government or a business, they should be fired because they're trying to protect the interests of the people, not the government. Okay? So let me go all the way down. Okay, everything they do in red light camera is false police report. Look, here's Florida Statute 316-067. So now, let's look at this. I'm going to get back over here for a second. I go all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to get my camera close up. I'm trying this close up. Look at this crazy thing. This is weird. Okay, block this out. Yeah, this is a block. It's a weird thing. I lost my thought, but we'll get out of this. I'm going to go down to the next video. I'll try that out, see what it looked like on my recording section. What we're going to get to, I just forgot, but we're going to look at the letters to the judge. Okay, here we go. I'm going to be writing some letters to the judge this week. Okay? And, okay, look. Hey, judges, I'm writing to you. I got a right to write you a letter by the First Amendment. Write you a petition to government. Right here. I need it. That's what I said. I went to the courthouse. They didn't give me no information. No, they just give me a name. They didn't give me no phone number or email address, okay, to contact the judge. Okay, we got to fix this. So let me go over some things here. We had 20 minutes already talking. I'm going to go 30 minutes today because I got so much hang on. Go all the way back up. Remember, I got thrown in jail. And other thing they violate, in the red light camera, they violate your first, your 4th, 5th, 6th, 8th, the 14th. And remember, I put over 120 things in the red light camera. Remember, I made over 100 complaints. I'm banned from the state attorney office. But state attorney office said they would pick and choose what case they want to do. No, it shouldn't be that way. You go after criminals. So you will be subpoenaed and find out why you didn't go at the red light camera program. Okay? Let me go up to try this. I had this last year, this close up. So, we'll go all the way, I got over 100 slides. Let me get up here. Go back down. We do this slide. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go back to real close up and get out of here. I think I covered my topic for this week. So, let me talk about the state judge. Hold on. No, we're going to talk about the statute at the city. And that's what it is. They already prepared to move that statute. Okay? And guess what? I'm not going to let you do it. Because I'm going to go to the city commission meeting Monday and I know, hey, this is the 4th time I told you the fund from the fraudulent program. I'm informed that the 4th and the 5th rule in my favor, so you need to get that money back. I'm going to notify the judge because that is separate exculpatory evidence you would hold to a federal judge because he didn't tell you that I made a complaint about them funds, the illegal funds. So she might have to prosecute you guys for filing a false federal response. Okay? So let me get out of here. And then the state level will do with the red light camera program. I can't go into it right now. What courts, okay? Because a lot of stuff I'm doing I cannot tell you about. This stuff I'm trying to be like 4 months in the head of everybody in my legal process, okay? So basically, I'm going to get you guys money. Because remember, in my thing, I'm going to have... Get your check day. There you go. Get your check day. I'm pretty sure we're here now. I got them beat. What I'm trying to do is to make, cause right now they're going to shut down the camera, but they're trying not to get the money back. I'm going to force them to get the money back. Okay? And that's what they're trying to do and prosecute these people. I want to try to do, that's one reason I'm going to the state judge and federal judge to prosecute. Like, I want the traffic judge to lose all license, traffic cops to lose their certificate, the city attorney, the county attorneys, then the collection attorneys for the city and county said your letter said your money. They should know collection laws. They don't. And the Bells Bar has been got money from it. Anybody who made money off the program will sue them and get them. They got liability, and like all city employees go in the personnel file. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. It's not fair. We break the law and they come after. We break the law and we get punished. Well, guess what? You broke the law unintentionally. Guess what? We broke the law unintentionally. We went to jail for it. Well, guess what? You went to jail. I'm putting you in jail too. I'm here for the people. Okay, not for the government. So I'm going to get out of here. Thank you for watching. What you going to do when corruptions are help you.